Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 30, that is our festivals. So in this chapter I will tell you about some important festivals. देखो हमारे पास कुछ religious festival है. We have national festival and the harvest festival. First let's talk about religious festival, that is Holi, which is called festival of color. ये किस month में आता है? It comes in the month of March. In fact, it's a time जब wheat, gram, mustard और millets ये ripe होते हैं, right, for harvest. Men and women and children, they sing and dance and make merriment by applying gulal colored powder and by throwing colored water on one another. Holika is burned, एक bonfire होती है on the day before the color day. Then we have Dashera, which is called Vijayadashmi. It is celebrated October. Ramlila stage on these days. Dashera is marked as the victory of good over evil. It is believed that Lord Ram killed Ravan and the demon king on this day, and इसकी जो effigies है रावण की, कुंभकर्ण की, मेघनाथ की, ये सब बर्न हुई. एंड दशहरा इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज दुर्गा पूजा. और कहाँ सेलिब्रेट करा जाता है? वेस्ट बंगाल में. और जो आइडल्स है दुर्गा जी के, उनको वाटर में इमर्स करा जाता है. गुजरात दशहरा को एज ए नवरात्रि सेलिब्रेट करा जाता है. दिवाली विच इज नोन एज फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट, विच मीन्स रो ऑफ दियास, earthen lamps. It is celebrated in the month of October or November. Right, on this day goddess Lakshmi is worshipped. Houses को clean करा जाता है, decorate करा जाता है. Next we have Eid ul-Fitr. It's the festival of Muslims. एक तो होता है Eid ul-Fitr, एक होता है Eid ul-Zuha. Ramzan is the 1 month fasting. On this day Muslims go to Eidgah to offer namaz. और आफ्टर नमाज एक दूसरे को क्या करते हैं? मुबारक विश करते हैं. एंड सिवाय इट्स अ स्पेशल sweet dish which is prepared on this day. Christmas, it's fall on 20th of December, is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Prayers are held in church and gifts are exchanged. और क्रिसमस ट्री को बहुत ब्यूटीफुली डेकोरेट किया जाता है और चिल्ड्रंस गेट गिफ्ट्स फ्रॉम द सेंटर क्लॉज. रक्षाबंधन, इट्स द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त में आता है. बॉन्ड होता है राखी का, सिस्टर ब्रदर सिस्टर का. फिर होता है गुरुपर्व. Guruparv is the birthday of first Sikh Guru. On this day, huge procession are taken out. Prayers are held. Prayers होती हैं गुरुद्वारास में, लंगर्स होते हैं, and thousands of people they get free meal over. Next is Ganesh Chaturthi, celebrated in Maharashtra. Idol of Ganeshas are taken out in procession in the immersed water. Next is Basant Panchami, which is celebrated when the spring season comes and mustard plants are blooming in the field. On this day, goddess Saraswati is worshipped. Girls wear yellow clothes, dance, sings, and boys they enjoy flying kites on this day. Many other festivals like Teej, Lohri, Shivratri, Navroz, Muharram, Good Friday, Easter, they all are celebrated in different parts of India. Next we will talk about harvest festival. जब crop क्या होती है? रेडी होती है हार्वेस्ट के. तो पोंगल, पोंगल आपका हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल है. कहाँ सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? तमिलनाडु में. It marks the end of the harvesting of rice. इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड फॉर 3 days. सबसे पहले दिन काऊ को फेड करा जाता है पोंगल राइस से, फिर सन गॉड को वर्शिप करा जाता है. ओनम इज द हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ केरला, सेलिब्रेटेड इन द ऑनर ऑफ किंग महाबली. स्नेक बोट होती है यहाँ पे. एंड वी हैव डेकोरेटेड एलिफेंट्स विच आर टेकन आउट ऑन दिस फेस्टिवल. इनका प्रोसेशन करा जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज बिहू. इट्स अ हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ असम. इन दिस द यंग गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज दे वियर ट्रेडिशनल क्लोथ्स and they dance throughout the night. बैसाखी हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल है पंजाब का. कब सेलिब्रेट होता है? 30th April. People express their joy with the beat of dole, and on this festival men perform what? भांगड़ा. Right? Women क्या perform करते हैं? गिद्दा डांस. Right? So during harvest festival we thank farmers and nature for the food जो भी आप खा रहे. So this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will move to the exercise. So first is pick the correct option. Holi is the festival of color. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Dashera is also called Vijayadashmi. Christmas fall on 25th of December. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Diwali is the festival of light. Next is fill in the blanks. Holi is celebrated in the month of Christmas tree is decorated on Goddess Saraswati is worshipped on Basant Panchami. Dash is the festival of 3 days. Pongal. बैसाखी इज मेनली सेलिब्रेट कहाँ सेलिब्रेट की जाती है बैसाखी? पंजाब में. Now Shiva is prepared on Holi. People worship goddess Lakshmi on Diwali. It's true. Ramzans come after Eid. False. Eid come after Ramzan. Cows are fed on Pongal. It's true. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. It's true. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of Kerala. False. Diyas match the following. दिया हम कब लगाते हैं? दिवाली पे. गुलाल से हम खेलते हैं होली पे. Shiva is prepared on Eid. Santa Claus on Christmas and snake boat on Onam. Right? Now define the following. Diwali, the festival of light. Holi, the festival of color. Eid, the festival of Muslims. Christmas, the festival of Christians. और आप ऐसे पोंगल देखते हैं, it's a harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Now answer the following question. Why is Diwali called the festival of light? Because on this day, we decorate our houses with the beautiful lights, and what we do, we light candles, diyas on this day. What is Ramzan? It is a 1 month fasting, right? Where is Pongal celebrated? Where is Pongal celebrated? Tamil Nadu. Guru Parv, how is Guru Parv celebrated? एक great procession होता है, लंगर करा जाता है. गुरु पर्व पे क्या होता है, लोग गुरुद्वारा जाते हैं, अपने गुरु की क्या करते हैं, गुरुनंद साहिब की पूजा करते हैं. Where is Onam celebrated? Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Snake boat होती है यहाँ. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.